How are you all? I hope that all are fit and fine at home. Okay. It's for the reference book. There is a standard 4 and the subject is EVS. Okay. And it's for the English medium, chapter 6, Riya's journey. Okay. The number 6 and the Riya's journey. Okay. It's a chapter about Riya's journey. Okay, Riya, who was a girl, and his journey. About we can see here in this chapter. Okay, there is a many communication way to journey. Okay, many communication way to journey. We have a cycle, bicycle, car, motorbike, scooter, van, four-wheeler, car. Okay, there is a bus, auto rickshaws. There is a in some village there is a bullock cart also, camel cart also, and horse rider also. So there is a many way to go anywhere. Okay, there is a, if there is a waterway, so there is a many ship buildings also. Okay, and if there is a roadway, then there is a many option. We have many option. And if there is a airway, then there is a aeroplane, helicopter also there. So many communication way. So it's a many communication way. And there is a train facility also there. The train facility is very important. Why it is important? Because it's a very easy. Okay, it's a very easy and long distance journey, and very less. Okay, it's a very less costly. That means it's a very easy. So it's a very easy to journey by train. Okay, so train facility is very easy. Okay, other than facilities. Okay, so train facility, why it is easy and why it is important. Okay, many people use the, mostly people use the travel by a train. So it's a very easy because of train. Train is available. Okay, many cities there. Okay, and it's a there is a more than 500 people at a one time. Okay, they journey to one place to another. Okay, and it's a very less. Okay, very less pay for this journey, means the it's not costly. Okay, and it's also comfortable also. Okay, we can sit there easily, we can sit, we can move in the train also. So it's a very easy. Okay, if there is a bus, car, we cannot move like a train. Okay, we cannot go one compartment to another compartment, but it is very easy to, there is a many facility also there. Okay, there is a washroom facility also in available in train. So if there is a long journey, then we must use this train facility. Okay, train facility, there is a two types of trains facility. There is a one is the passenger train, and the other is a goods train. Okay, passenger trains used for the passengers. Okay, to journey to one place to another, and the goods train, it's a travel to goods one place to another. Okay, so both are good. Okay, by train. By trains, many people, okay, more than 500 people so go to one place to another at a same time, in a one train. Okay, so it's a very important. Okay, and there is a train. Okay, train, there is some memo train also, some local train also, some express train also. Okay, we can go very fast, then we can sit in a express train. Okay, many express train also, which is which not which not stand on many stations. Okay, so it's a express train also. If you can go local city, then you can sit in a memo or demo train also. Okay, so it's a very easy to. And it is a train which is go on a track which is a iron road. Okay, which is made by a iron road, and which is not odd even. Okay, it's mostly a straight roads there. So it's a very easy to travel by a train. Okay, so it's a very nice for the any passengers also, anyone also. Okay, if there is a buy a ticket, then you can go the station, and you can stand you can stand there and you buy a ticket, then you go and sit any weekend seat, then you can sit also easily. Okay, comfortable also there. Okay, so there is a many facility. Okay, there is a fan, lights, and a washroom facility also in a train. Okay, and if you are hungry, then there is many vendors there in a train also. Okay, so there is a many facility, and it's a very easy to go any distance place, then it is very easy. Okay, and if you receive your relatives on the station, then you can buy a passenger ticket also. Okay, it's a necessary. And if you sit in you travel in a train, then there is a ticket checker. There is a ticket checker who come there and who check the ticket of everyone. And so it's a very nice easy journey to buy a train. Okay, now we are on the Riyadh journey. Okay, Riyadh journey, it's a very Riyadh journey. Okay, which is Riya and Jia. Okay, there is both her friends, and they both family, both Riya's family and Jia's family plan to go Vapi and Jia's family want to go Daman. Okay, so they reserve the seat. Okay, they reserve the seat, but two days before of journey, Jia become ill. So the parents of Jia, they cancel the tickets, and they cannot go. Then Riya also felt very sad. Okay, my friend is not coming with me. So Jia give her to idea to write in a diary. Okay, what your experience, and you take a photos. Okay, and you take a photos of this picture and any picture. Okay, you can see that. So they decide that there is a full moon day. Okay, after dinner they are ready to go railway station. Okay, by auto. Then they going there. Okay, and they one by one, they if the train coming, then they are seat. Okay, Riya and her mother take a window seat. Okay, to see every atmosphere. Okay, every location there. And her father and her brother take a middle seat. Okay, there is other family also sit near to them. Okay, and they start. Okay, they are from it's a station of Bhuj. Okay, Bhuj station of Bhuj. They start the journey from the Bhuj. So it's the entrance of the Kutch. Okay, it's the entrance of the Kutch. So they start the journey. Okay, and then they go, and there is some Khyali. Okay, there is a junction. Okay, then Riya asked her father, oh, what is a junction? Junction means the two trains separated. Okay, there is a track separated. there is a track separated there, so it is called junction. Okay, one is going other side and the other is other side, so it's a junction set. And then see so from the window, okay, there is a white color sheet spread all over, and there is a full moon, so it's clearly noticed, okay, noticed by her. So then her father informed her to it's a salt sheet, okay, and which is make a gyari. A gyari means the who make a salt, okay, salt maker also. So they make a salt, okay. So then they are go again. Then their train go other city, okay. Then it is night time. There is a every the station, the train arrive on the station. This station is very lighting everywhere, many people there, many passengers there, everywhere shouting just like vendor also shouting just like vada pav, kachori, bhajia, okay. There is a water, there is a bananas, apples, chikus, okay. They sell their things, okay. And the many people who wear a red color, okay, they take luggage to others, okay. So Ria see this location, okay. She enjoy this location, and it is a city. It's a city of Ahmedabad, okay. It is the very crowded city, okay. It is Ahmedabad. So then the train go other city, just like Nadiad, means they are continuous going. Their experience of this journey by train, they she's write in her notebook and notice, because her friend promised her to write each and everything which is you see, okay. So it's a chapter Ria's journey. It's a continue, okay, and it's over in a next chapter, okay, next chapter. So it's a journey continues, okay. Here now we are on exercise. There is some exercise about this chapter, okay. We will see here. There is some true false, okay. Ria was going to Surat by train, okay. Ria was going to Surat by train. It's a true or false? Then it is a false. Why it is false? Because Ria was going to Surat by train. No, she was going to Vapi, okay, and Vapi to her mama's house, okay. Then Jia fell sick just 2 days before the journey. Jia fell sick just 2 days before the journey. It is right or wrong? So it is right. Jia became ill, okay, just before the journey. Now the 3. Jia told Ria to write all the details about the journey, okay. Jia told Ria write all the details about the journey. Jia told to Ria, okay, to write all the details about the journey. So it is right. Then 4 number, it was a no moon day on the day of Ria's journey. It was a no moon day, okay. When the Ria go with her parents, there is a no moon day. No moon means we cannot see the moon, means the Amavasya, okay. But no, it's a no. There is a full moon day, means the full moon day means the Poonam there, means it's a no moon day. So it's a wrong. Okay, it was a no moon day on the day of Ria's journey. It's a wrong. Then Ria's train depart from Bhuj at 7:50 p.m. Ria's complete true or false. There is a match. There is a match. Okay. The A number. Riya. Riya. Who is Riya? There is a Riya is the Jia's friend. Okay. Riya is the Jia's friend. Second, the Bhuj. Bhuj. What is a Bhuj? Okay. Bhuj. It's a what is the Bhuj? Okay, the Bhuj is the main junction of Kutch. Okay, there is a the Bhuj is the main junction of Kutch. Now the 3, they make a salt pans. Who make a salt pans? Then there is a salt makers. Okay, salt makers we can say agyari also. Okay, they make a salt pans. It's a salt maker. Then the 4 number, Surajbari bridge. Surajbari bridge. What is the Surajbari bridge? Okay, Surajbari bridge is the entrance of Kutch. It's the entrance of Kutch. Okay, there is a road there. There is a Bhuj. Bhuj also we can say a great run of Kutch. Okay, main junction there is a it's a great Bhuj is the great run of Kutch. Okay, so now then we can revise this Riya's journey. There is a true or false. There is a 1 number. Riya was going to Surat by train. It's a true or false? So it's a false. Okay. Jia fell sick just 2 days before the journey. It's a right or wrong? So it's a right. That's number 3. Jia told Riya to write all details about the journey. So it's a right. Then it was no moon day on the day of Riya's journey. So it's a no moon day. So it's a wrong. Okay, because there is a full moon day. And Riya's train depart from Bhuj at 7:50 p.m. Okay, train depart from 7:50 p.m. It's a right there. And there is a match. Riya. Who is Riya? Jia's friend. Second is the Bhuj. Bhuj. What is the Bhuj? The great round of Kutch. The third number. They make a salt pan. Who make a salt pan? There is a salt makers. The number 4. The Surajbari bridge. Surajbari bridge is a entrance of Kutch. Okay, it's the entrance of Kutch. So now our chapter number 6 Riya's journey is over. Okay, we know about the journey. Okay, and we are also going in journey. Okay, in journey of many places. So we can also write this exercise also, and we can also write the experience to go any places. Okay, we can write in diary also. We can take a photo from mobiles also. Okay, so it's the chapter continues and it is over in the next chapter. Okay, chapter number 7 there. Okay, now it is over. Thank you.